Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to increase or decrease the icon size on any HyperOs phone. Now to do that, just open the Themes app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on My Account. Now from here, tap on Customize Theme. Now from here, just tap on Icons. Now from here, just tap on Icons. Now from here, you should see the option to increase or decrease the icon size of your smartphone. Now, if you cannot find this option over here, just go to your home screen and open the Settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Now from here, tap on Accessibility and tap on Vision. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Display Size. Now from here, you can change the size of the icons from here. Now from here, the smallest size is XS. Now as you can see in the preview, as I'm changing the size of the app icons is increasing and decreasing in the preview. Now as you can see, the smallest size of the app icons is XS. Now let's select large and let's tap done. Now from here, just go to your home screen. Now as you can see, the icon size are large. Now from here, if you want to decrease the size of your icons, just go back and tap on Display Size. Now from here, just choose XS, which is the smallest size. Now from here, just tap on Done. Now from here, tap on OK. Now if you go to your home screen, now as you can see, we have successfully decreased the size of our icons, just like that. And this is how you can increase or decrease the size of your icons on any HyperOs phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.